As here we see the North American Roomba in its natural habitat. Fortunately, it seems like it spotted us. Here it comes. Oh God, run away, run away. And we're back again, having escaped the North American Roomba, and we're tracking it again from a safer distance. There you see them, moving back and forth on the floor. Why do they do what they do? One can only question. And here we see the Roomba in a life and death struggle against death, crumbs, and all sorts of other things dropped by my children. Here it appears the Roomba has spotted a piece of lint. And oh, the lint has got away, winning the life and death struggle with the Roomba.